Brandon, and you know what? It's not going to be as warm when you head to the polls either, because the weather system that brought the storms, it's this cold front, and behind it, cooler temperatures are starting to sink in as well. We are in the 60s right now across southeast Texas, 68 in Houston, 68 in Katy, 70 right now in Sugar Land, 66 in Conroe right now. And temperatures today only going to rebound into about the low to mid 70s in the afternoon. But here's a live look to 13 alert radar. We still have a couple of lingering showers this morning. A few areas I want to point out. Across Harris County, you can see a few showers that just moved through Pasadena, Deer Park, and Baytown. Those are now headed towards Chambers and Liberty County. A nice little downpour just south of I-10 in Mont Belvieu. No lightning activity, so no thunderstorms at this hour. But just off the coast right now, you can see some passing showers near Galveston and the Bolivar Peninsula. A little farther south, too, some stratiform rain near Angleton and Lake Jackson. That's going to be the general theme today. Potentially a passing shower all the way through the lunchtime hours and early afternoon. But generally speaking, it is a drier day. We are drying out with a cooler Tuesday on tap. But temperatures warm back up as we head into the weekend. We'll have more on what to expect later this week coming up in my full forecast, Brandon.
Okay, bring on those cool temperatures. All right, so have we seen the last of the rain? Meteorologist Elyse Smith and Elyse, I think we want the rain because you walk outside, you're like, okay, the heat.
The heat's gone,
yes.
Drought conditions, we need the rain for sure. We've definitely made a dent in the drought conditions with all the rain we've seen over the past few days. But generally speaking, the rain is moving on out. I'm not going to rule out a quick passing shower, but as you can see from our True Color satellite, clearing conditions across much of the state, and soon that will include Houston as well. But let's get to 13 alert radar to show you which areas still have some lingering showers this morning and heading into the afternoon. You can see first near the coast, we have some showers passing through portions of Chambers County, again, Liberty County along the coast too. A quick passing shower along Galveston Island and the Bolivar Peninsula can't be ruled out. Farther north, you do see what is some light rain falling from the hill country up into portions of Walker County. Huntsville seeing some light rain, Navasota as well. Waller and Waller County could be picking up on some rain in a little bit. But generally speaking, rain chances have greatly decreased because the main weather system, that cold front, it's moved on out. It's pushed far to our east. So now we just have any of that lingering humidity, that lingering moisture that's got to wring out. That is why we have just some small rain chances heading into the rest of the day. So now our attention turns to the Gulf. This is the next big thing we got to monitor, and that is Rafael, a tropical storm that is in the Caribbean in November, has winds of 60 miles per hour, wind gusts up to 70. So it has increased, it has strengthened within the past 24 hours, and that is in the forecast too as we head into tonight as the storm begins to approach the Cayman Islands in Cuba. We are expecting Rafael to potentially strengthen to a Category 1 hurricane before making landfall along Cuba tomorrow. Then it enters the Gulf of Mexico later this week and lingers in the Gulf of Mexico into the weekend. You see potentially still as a Category 1 hurricane, likely eventually weakening to a tropical storm. And this cone keeps growing in size. You can see it pushes to the east and the west, and that's because computer models are still split. It's November. It's rare for us to have a hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico. That's one reason why. Another reason why is because of the different things, the different factors that could move the system and limit the system from strengthening or even weakening as well. So you can see a big split right now on computer model data across the Gulf and Gulf Coast. So we'll keep a close eye on the system. Right now, again, this threat for southeast Texas and Houston is low, but it's not zero at this point. Meanwhile, here's a live look across the region. Yes, we see some more sunshine now breaking through the clouds. It's definitely cooler out there. Temperatures right now, we are in the 60s, and we do have a pretty decent breeze as well. Right now, just winds at about 7 miles per hour, but we could see wind gusts today up to about 20. And along the coast in Galveston, you're warmer because you're right next to the Gulf of Mexico. It's 78 degrees right now. Water temperatures in the upper 70s as well. So that is good when it comes to any tropical systems. Not a lot of warm water for the system to work with anymore near the coast. Today, for the rest of Election Day, 72 degrees, cooler and breezy with a stray passing shower. But tonight, check this out. Cool morning temperatures, potentially 20 degrees colder for Wednesday morning, only in the upper 50s or lower 60s. So on Future Track now, you can see a couple of showers lingering along the coast, but then this is 7 p.m. If you're still in line to vote, won't have to deal with any rain tonight, and we are drying out into tomorrow. A drier forecast for the rest of the week, but warmer again. We rebound very quickly by Thursday and Friday with above normal temperatures. Time frame we need to watch for is Saturday through Monday for any tropical impacts. And we'll be right back after this break.
Okay, so Danny's reaction to those raisins in the cake was probably my same reaction watching that.
I would like to try it, though. It's like a little taste of history.
Okay.
No? Okay. Well, add some frosting on it, though.